Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, irrational numbers and surds, the topic we are going to continue. So in today's video, we are going to discuss some level 2 problems from chapter 1, practice sheet 1. So here question type is multi-correct answer type. Multi-correct answer type questions. So means each question will be having 4 options and the answers one or more. We can have one answer or we can have more answers, one or more. If we have one or more answers, then it is considered to be a multi-correct answer type question. So first question. So which of the following is or correct? Is or correct? The product of two rational numbers is rational, correct. The product of two irrationals must be rational, must be irrational, wrong. Why? Because the product may be a rational number, may be an irrational number. It depends. So they have given must, that's why this option is wrong. The sum of rational irrational number always irrational, correct, because combination of rational and irrational always a irrational number. Product of rational irrational is a rational, wrong, because it's a combination of rational and irrational, it will become irrational, but they have given rational, wrong. So two answers are correct, two options are correct, one is A, another one is C. So next, which of the following is a correct statement? The irrational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. The irrational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Okay, actually it is correct, but one condition is there. Here the condition they have not given, such that the irrational number between A and B is A by 2. No, actually the irrational number between A and B is root AB, not A plus B by 2. The rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. But they asked irrational number. Irrational number means root of AB. So it is wrong option. P, sorry children, it is pi, it is. Pi is an irrational number, correct. The value of root 2 up to 5 decimal places, 1.41421, correct. Irrational numbers are neither terminating nor recurring, correct. So B, C, D, 3 options are correct. Next, which of the following is or correct? Which of the following is or correct? So root 3 is a surd. Root 3 is an irrational number. So every surd is an irrational number. True. Cubed root of 5 is a surd. Cubed root of 5 is an irrational number. True. Here pi. Pi is an irrational number. It is not a surd. True. Because it's only all irrational numbers are not surds. So that's why it is correct. 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. Wrong. Because root 2 is an irrational number. So A, B, C, 3 options are correct. So which of the following is or correct? Is or correct? First one, they are having same order. 4th root of 2 less than 4th root of 7. They are having same order. We can compare them easily. As 2 is less than 7, 4th root of 2 also less than 4th root of 7. Correct. Next. 4th root of 7 less than 4th root of 5. Wrong. False statement. Because 7 is less than 5. Wrong it is. 5th root of 10 less than 5th root of 13. True. Cubed root of 3 greater than cubed root of 5. false. So how many are correct? A option is correct, C option is correct. Only two options are correct. Next, we have to simplify. We have to simplify the value. We have to simplify the value. So we have to simplify the value. How to simplify? So here nothing is there means it is a tooth root, square root. So 6, 3, 2, 12. What is the LCM? 12. Means first one to be multiplied by 2. So 5 power 2. Second one to be multiplied by 4. 2 power 4. Third one to be multiplied by 6. So 3 to the power of 6. Fourth one already 12th root is there, no need to multiply. Now all of them 6 2 times 12, 3 4 times 12, 2 6 times 12, 12. All of them having root 12. So we can write them under the same root. 5 square means 25. 5 square means 25. 2 power 4, 16. 3 power 6. 3 power 6, how much? 729 into 6. Okay, into 6. So like this we are getting into 6. So if we multiply total, its value is 12th root of 17, 49, 49, 600. It is its value. So A option is correct. So as it is a multi-correct answer, there may be possibility of another answer. B, we have to cross check. C, 12th root of wrong. D, both of them 12th root. So 2 we have to multiply. It will, in the beginning number 20 will come. So it is also wrong. D option is wrong. Let's check this one. Cubed root of 2. Cubed root of 2 means we have to multiply by 4. We have to multiply by 4. So then we can write it as 12th root of 2 power 4 into 12th root of 109350. 2 power 4 how much? 16. 16 into this number. If we multiply, it will be equal to this number. So B option also correct answer. B option also correct answer. Next. So these are the multi-correct answers, children. Next. Sorry, here heading is mistake. It's not multi-correct. It's comprehension type questions. Comprehension type questions means one passage will be given. Under the passage 1, 2, 3, like that 3 questions will be given. Based on the information given in passage, you have to find the answer. So what they have given in the passage. So here comprehension type also, each there will be 4 options. Only one option will be the correct answer. It's a single correct answer type question. Irrational numbers satisfy commutative, associative, distributive, but not closure with respect to addition and multiplication. So they have given some properties of irrational numbers. We have to find the answers. So A equal to 8 plus root 5, B equal to 1 minus root 5. Then what about A plus B? So what is A value? Sorry, what is A plus B? Both we have to add. 8 plus root 5, 1 minus root 5. So root 5 get cancelled. 8 plus 1, 9. Which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. So A option is the correct answer. So A root 3, B 4 plus root 3. Then what about A minus B? A minus B root 3 minus of 4 plus root 3. So root 3 minus 4, as we remove bracket, both the terms symbol will change. Minus 4 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel. Minus 4. Minus 4 is a rational number. Minus 4 is a rational number. Next. A 3 plus root 7, b, 3 minus root 7. Then what is a into b? Already we have discussed. They are in the form of a plus root b and a minus root b. The product of a plus root b and a minus root b will be a rational number. Will be a rational number because they are conjugate. They are conjugate surds. They are in the form of conjugate surds. So their product or sum will be a rational number. So D option, rational number, is the correct answer. So let's cross check once. They are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. If you multiply them, what will happen? A square, 3 square minus b square, root 7 whole square. Means 3 square means 9. Root 7 square means root square cancel, 7. 9 minus 7, 2, which is a rational number. So D option is the correct answer. 1 minute, children. So next. What is the passage? Next passage. A surd expressed in the form a into nth root of b, where b is the least positive rational number, is called simplest form of given surd. Yes, it's true. So if b is the least positive rational number, then we can tell that it is in simplest form, not pure form. Pure form means here a multiple should be always 1, but they are telling simplest form. So means b should be the least positive rational number. So fourth root of 112 we have to mention in a least number. So fourth root of how we can write? Fourth root of 8 1 is 8, 8 4 times 32, 8 into 14 we can write. Fourth root of 8 into 2 into 7 we can write, where 8 stands for 2 cube. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube. One more 2 is there, 2 power 4 means fourth root of 2 power 4 into fourth root of 7. So root 4 4 cancel. So 2 into fourth root of 7. 2 into fourth root of 7. So this is the simplest form. Next. Which of the following surds is not in its simplest form? Which of the following surds is not in its simplest form? Simplest form. So 102. How we can write 102? 2 into 51. 2 into 51. How we can write? 3 into 17. 2 into 3 into 17. 2 into 3 into 17. So no number is having square. So all numbers will be the inside the square root. We cannot take any number out as no factor is repeating 2 times. So it is in simplest form. Root 116. Root, how to write? 2 into 2 5 times 10, 16. 2 8 times 16. 2 into again 58. 2 into 2 2 times 4. 2 9 times 18. So out of 2 2's, 1 2 will go outside. We can write it as 2 root of 29. 2 root of 29. But they have given root 116. So this is not in the simplest form. So this is the answer. Let's check others also. Root 110. 2 into 55. So again 55. 2 into 5 into 11 means which cannot be simplified. So 118. 2 into 2 5 times 10, 2 9 times 18. 2 into 59 cannot be simplified further. So root 116 can be simplified further. So it is not in the simplest form because its simplest form is 2 root 29. So B option is the correct answer. Root 80 in simplest form. They are asking the value of root 80. Root 80 means we can write it as 2 into 40, again 2 into 20, again 2 into 10, again 2 into 4 2s, 2 into 5, 2 2 times 4, 8, 16, 16 5 are 80. So 4 2s, 1 5. So for 2 2s, 1 2 will come outside. For 2 2s, 1 2 will come outside. Root 5 will be remaining. 2 2 times 4. So 4 root 5. 2 2 times 4 root 5. So 4 root 5 is the simplest form. Next children, matrix matching type. Next we have matrix matching type. So here also matrix matching type means each question can have one or more answers. One or more. Each question can have one or more answers. The number 3 by 4 is a. The number 3 by 4 is a whole number wrong, irrational number wrong, positive rational number correct, does not exist in Q wrong, negative wrong. Root 2 is a whole number wrong, irrational number correct, irrational number correct. And one more thing, does not exist in Q also correct. Does not exist in Q also correct. The number minus 12 by 4. Minus 12 by 4 is a negative rational number. Minus 12 by 4 is a negative rational number. E option is the correct answer. The value of pi is an irrational number. B option does not exist in Q. D option. Like that, same answer can be repeated or one or more answers can come. Next, another matrix matching type. So 5 into root 48. 5 into root 48. So 5 into root 48. How to write 5 into root 48? We can write it as 16 3 times 48. 5 root 48 means we can write 16 into 3, where 16 stands for 4 square into 3. So 4 will come out. 4 5 times it will become into 4. 4 5 times 20, 20 root 3. So D option. D option is the right answer. Like that, you have to check other options also. But here nothing is possible. Only D option is the correct answer. So the entire form of 2 into 4th root of 5, or entire means pure form, means multiple to be 1. Here multiple is 2. It has to go inside. If it goes inside, what happens? 4th root of 5 into, if it goes into 4th root, it will become 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 5 times 80. 4th root of 80. So A option. A option is the correct answer. Next. Root 1000 equal to. Root 1000 is equal to root 1000. How can we write? 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. For 2 tens, 1 10 will come outside. It will become 10 root 10. It will become 10 root 10. So 52. E option is the correct answer. Next. 6 root 5 equal to. If 6 goes inside, so if it goes into square root, it will become 6 square. 6 square into 5. 6 square how much? 36. 36 into 5. 36 into 5 means 180. So B option is the correct answer. Next, another matching set. Root 32, root 50, root 128. 32, how can we write? 2 5 times. 2 5 times we can write. 2 power 5 we can write. Or 16 to the 32. Square root of 16 is 4. We can write it as 4 root 2. Or 25 to the 50. Square of 25 is 5. It will become 5 root 2. Or 128. 64 to the 128. Root of 64 is 8. We can write it as 8 root 2. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Because all are having root 2's, we can add them directly. So answer is 17 root 2. C option is the correct answer. Next. So cube root of 50. 50 we can write 25 into 2. 50 we can write 25 into 2. 25 means 5 will go outside. 15 root 2. It will become 15 root 2 minus 4 root 8 means 8 we can write 4 into 2. 4 root of 4 is 2. 2 4s are 8. It will become 8 root 2 plus 18 means we can write 9 into 2. We can write 9 into 2. Root of 9 is 3. 3 7s are 21. 21 root 2. We have to add plus values. 21 plus 15, 36. 36 minus 8, 28. 28 root 2. So D option is the correct answer. D option is the correct answer. Next. 2 into cube root of 40. 3 into cube root of 625. 4 into cube root of 320. 4 into cube root of 320. It's a big value. So cube root. Cube root means what we will be having? 40. 40, is there any possibility of writing like cube? We can write 8 into 5. We can write 40, we can write 8 into 5, where 8 stands for 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 will go out. 2 times 4. It will become 4 into cube root of what is remaining? 5 plus 625. 625 means 25 into 25 into, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. 125. So we can write 5 to the power of 4. We can write 125 into 5. 125 into 5. Where 125 stands for 5 cube. So 1 5 will go out. 5 into 3, 15. So what will remain inside? Cube root of another 5 will remain. Cube root of 5 minus 320. 320, how to write? 320? 320. 5. 64 into 5. We can write 64 into 5. We can write 64 into 5. Where 64 can be written as 4 cube. Means 4 will go out. 4 into 4, 16. 16 cube root of 5. So 4 into cube root of 5 plus 15 into cube root of 5 minus 16 into cube root of 5. All are having cube roots of 5. Similar sets. We can join them. 4 plus 17, 21. Here 4 plus, 15 here. 4 plus 15, 19. 19 minus 16, 3. 3 into cube root of 5. So A is the correct option. A is the correct option. A is the correct option. Next, last one. 8th root 45, 8 into square root 20, root of 245, 3 into root of 125. So 45 we can write it as 9 into 5. So root of 9 is 3. 3 8s are 24. 24 root 5 minus 20 we can write it as 4 into 5. Root of 4 is 2. 2 8 times 16. So 16 root 5 plus 245. 245, 5 81s are. We can write 81 into 5. 81 into, not 81, 49. 49 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 remaining, 5 4s are 20, 24. 49 into 5. 49 root is 7. So we can write it as 7 root 5 minus 125. 25 into 5. We can write it as 25 into 5. 25 root is 5. 5 3 times 15. So we can write it as 15 root 5. So 24 plus 7, 31. 31 root 5 minus 16 minus 15. 31 root 5 means 31 root 5 minus 31 root 5. Cancel. Because 24 plus 7, 31 root 5 minus 16 minus 15, 31 root 5. Total will cancel. Answer is 0. 0, which is an integer. So options are B comma E. Options are B comma E. B comma E. Next. So level 3 worksheet. Here we will be having previous contest questions in the previous Olympiads or other competitive exams. Whatever questions they asked, we have given here. Let's see the questions. A rational number can be expressed as terminating decimal if the denominator has factors. Any rational number A by B can be written as terminating decimal if it has in the denominator 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5 or both, but not any other factor. So A option is the correct answer. If it has 3, it cannot be written as terminating decimal. If it has 3, here also it is 3. No. Next, P value 5 plus 2 root 6, Q equal to 1 by P. Then P square plus Q square. Then P square plus Q square. P square plus Q square. So P value 5 plus root 6. Q value 1 by P means Q equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6. We can multiply with its conjugate. 5 minus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2 root 6. What happens? Numerator 5 minus 2 root 6 will come. Numerator 5 minus 2 root 6 will come. What about denominator? A plus B, A minus B. A square means 5 square. B square means 2 root 6 whole square. 2 root 6 whole square means 5 minus 2 root 6 by 5 square 25 minus 2 square 4. Here it is 4 into 6. 2 square 4. Square root of 6 whole square 6. 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So this value is 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we have to find P square plus Q square. Means 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square plus 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. We have to find this value. We know the formula of A plus B whole square. A square 25, B square 24 plus 2AB. 2 into 5 into 2. 2 into 5, 10. 10 to the 20. So 20 root 6. 20 root 6. 20 root 6. Here A square, A minus B whole square means A square. A square means 25 plus B square. B square means 24 minus 2AB means same value but minus 2AB means minus 20 root 6. Minus 20 root 6. 20 root 6, 20 root 6 cancel. 25 plus 24, 49. 25 plus 24, 49. 49 plus 49. What is the answer, children? 98. 98 is the answer. But here, what we have to do? Q value, you have to multiply with its conjugate. So that in the denominator, root will cancel. It will be a rational number. After getting the Q value, then you can simplify. Next, 0.34 bar 0.34 bar, 0.34 bar as a single decimal, we get what? We get what? So actually in your previous classes you might have learnt. So 0.34 bar means here if we remove the decimal we can write 34. We can write 34, but two digits are repeating, so that's why we have to keep two nines. We can write it as 34 by 99. So 0.34 bar. How to write 0.34 bar? 34 bar. How to write 0.34 bar? So here 0.34 bar means, so here for that only one digit is repeating. Only one digit is repeating. So here shortcut is actually from 34 we have to remove this non-repeating decimal. Means 34 minus 1. Sorry, 34 minus 3, 31. We have to write it in the numerator part. So downside we have to write 90. So this is the shortcut actually which you have learned in earlier classes. So like this we can write these two in the fraction form. Now we have to add both 34 by 99 plus 31 by 90. 31 by 90. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 990. LCM will be 990. 99 10 times. 99 10 times 990. Numerator part 34. 90 11 times. Sorry, here plus 90 11 times 990. Numerator part 31 is there. 31 is there. 10 into 34 340. 11 into 31. 11 into 31. 11 into 31, how much we will get? 11 1 is 11. 11 1 is 11. 11 3 times 33. 34 341 by 990. We can write it as 681. 681 by 990. 681 by 990. So if you divide, its value will be 0.687 bar. If you cross-check, divide and cross-check, its value will be equal to D. 0.687, 87, 87 and so on. Like that its value will come. So D option is the correct answer. Next. If x equal to 1 plus root 2, then what about this value? Already we have told, if x equal to 1 plus root 2, in the denominator we have to remove root 2 means we have to multiply with its conjugate, 1 minus root 2. A plus root b conjugate, a plus root b conjugate, a minus root b. Then what happens? Numerator 1 into 1 minus root 2, 1 minus root 2 by a square means 1 square minus root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means square root cancel 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. Or because downside we have minus, we can take it up minus 1 plus root 2. Like that we can write. So you can substitute here, you can expand and you can find the answer. You can find the answer. Answer will be 4. Next. So root 6 value they have given. So what about this value? They are asking about this value. They are asking about this value. So here root 6 value they gave. We have to find this value. So how to find? They gave 3 root 2 by 2 root 3. They have given 3 root 2 by 2 root 3. So downside, let's cancel this root value. To cancel root value, we have to multiply with root 3 and root 3. Root 3, up and down. So what happens? 3 into root 2 into root 3, how much? Root 6. Here root 3, Here root 3 means root 3 square. Root cancel, it will become 3. 2 into 3. 3 cancel. So root 6 by 2. Root 6 value how much? 2.449 by 2 after cancellation. 2 1 times 2 point, 2 times 4, 2 times 4, 9, 2 4 times 8, 1 will be remaining 10, 2 5 times 10, 1.2245. Or last digit, if it is 5, we can strike off, we can add 1 to it, 225. So actually 1.2245 we got, but in answer up to 3 decimals only they have given. As the decimal is, fourth decimal is 5, we can strike off, we can add 1 to the previous number. If it is more than 5 and 5, we can do like that. If it is less than 5, we can simply strike off. So 1.225 is the correct answer, approximate answer. The decimal expansion of pi is whole number, wrong. Terminating, wrong. Non-terminating but repeating, wrong. Here change the fourth option, children. The option should be actually non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So then D option will be the correct answer. D option will be the correct answer. Because pi is an irrational number whose value is non-terminating, non-repeating. So last question. The sum of rational and irrational. Sum of rational and irrational, always irrational only. Sorry, one more question is there. Okay. Sum of rational and irrational, always irrational only. Next. Which of the following can be expressed as a sum of square of 2 positive integers as well as 3 positive integers? 2 positive integers, 3 positive integers. Suppose if you take 250, you can write it as 225 plus 25. 225 plus 25, which means 15 square plus 5 square. Sum of squares of 2 positive integers. We can write 250. Is there any other possibility? According to right angle triangle, we know 5 square means 3 square plus 4 square. Because 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, 25. So 3 plus 4 square plus 15 square. This value also equal to 250. Sum of squares of 3 positive integers. So 250 can be written as sum of squares of 2 positive integers, sum of squares of 3 positive integers. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.